has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Horry County, Georgetown County, Williamsburg County, Southeastern Florence County, Marion County, until 11 p.m. At 9:50 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles west of Kingstree and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Kingstree, Hebron, CROSSROADS, CADES, Lake City, Indiantown, and more dangerous thunderstorms may develop and affect other communities in the warned area. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.